You're welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to change keyboard for Dell Latitude 7480. As you can see from the screen, we need to first of all unscrew the back of the laptop. You have to remove all the screw at the back. After you are successful doing that, you have to be very careful unscrew the back, all the screw at the back. As you can see, I'm doing that. Then you remove the back cover. After you've unscrewed all the screw at the back, you remove the back cover. The reason is because we need to remove the battery terminal. We need to remove the battery from the laptop so that the process of removing the keyboard to not affect the motherboard. You can see as I'm removing the battery. The clip of the keyboard is the flares of the keyboard is clipped beneath under the battery, so you have to remove the battery first. So as I removed the battery, I was able to clip the flares of the keyboard. As you can see, this is the new keyboard that I'm going to use to replace the old one. This is a new keyboard. So there's an opening close to the mouse pad where you pass the keyboard place. You pass it through that opening close to the mouse pad, which I'm doing now. I've successfully done that. And take note, you have to, there's a screw that hold the keyboard. You have to pull those screws. I think there are around two of them, two of the screw. I'm doing that now. I just tied the first one, so I'm about to tie the other one. Okay, there are more than two. Now the keyboard cover, the basket, you have to face it back. Make sure that all the edges are well clipped. When they are well clipped, the numbers will come out from the keys very well. I'm done with that part. Now I'm about to clip the keyboard place. I just did that now. The keyboard flares and the light flares. You know, the keyboard has the light also, so you have to clip the keyboard flares and the light flares. I finished clipping the keyboard flares, so right now I'm clipping the light flares, which I just did now. One thing about repairing, you have to make sure that all the procedure are well arranged. Make sure you didn't make any mistake. Make sure that when you are clipping the flares, they are well arranged so that you not end up opening the laptop again. So I'm done fixing back the battery Now I just pull back the back cover of the laptop. So you remember from the beginning we start from opening the back of the laptop. So I'm putting back the screw. So after that you are done changing your keyboard of your laptop. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe.